Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Krisp AI for content creation in 2026. If you record videos, podcasts, tutorials, or voiceovers, Krisp AI can help you produce cleaner, more professional audio. Let's go through the setup step by step.
১ বছরের লেগা
First, open the
সব
Krisp
করে
AI
লইছি তোর
application
কোনটা তো
and
করে
sign in to your account. Make sure you've selected the correct microphone and speakers in the audio settings before you start recording.
No.
Next, enable noise cancellation for your microphone. This feature removes unwanted sounds like keyboard typing, fan noise, traffic, or background conversations, allowing your voice to remain clear and focused. Now open your recording software, such as OBS Studio, Audacity, Adobe Audition, or your preferred video editing application. In the audio settings, choose Krisp Microphone as your recording device. Before recording your project, make a short test recording. Listen to the playback and check that your voice sounds clear and that background noise has been reduced effectively. If your Krisp plan includes AI-powered meeting notes or transcription features, you can also use them to create transcripts for interviews, podcasts, or video content, making editing and caption creation much easier. Finally, keep Krisp AI updated and test your microphone regularly to maintain consistent audio quality across all of your content. And that's
উপায়
it.
নাই।
You've successfully learned how to use Krisp AI for content creation
একটা
step by
বিবি
step.
দিল
You
দিবে।
can now create cleaner, more professional recordings with less background noise. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.